Geography words.
Hey! Ainda não se inscreveu no canal? Se inscreve e deixa o seu like para mais vídeos.
Words in action. Beach. Beach. Desert. Desert. Forest. Forest. Hill. Hill. Island. Island. Lake. Lake. Mountain. Mountain. Ocean. Ocean. Valley. Valley. River. River. Volcano. Volcano. Waterfall. Waterfall. Let's practice. Waikiki is the most famous beach in Honolulu, Hawaii. Angel Falls is the world's highest waterfall, located in Venezuela. Lake Baikal is the oldest and deepest, located in Siberia, Russia. The Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest located in South America. Antarctic Polar is the biggest desert on Earth. Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan. Stay tuned! Perguntas com how. How cold? How cold? How hot? How hot? How long? How long? How deep? How deep? How far? How far? How high? How high? How big? How big? Now you. How cold is Antarctica? It gets down to minus 126.9 Fahrenheit. How big is the Amazon rainforest? It's about 2.5 million square miles. How far is it from Australia to New Zealand? It's about 1,200 miles. How high is Angel Falls? It's 979 high. How long is the Mississippi River? It's about 2,300 miles long. How deep is the Grand Canyon? It's about 6,000 feet deep. Good job! See you in the next video!